What's up guys, got more camping gadget. This is a folding chair, but check this out. This is so unique. Okay, this comes out, there's instructions over here. Okay. Oh no, bunch of break apart sticks. So it's not really a folding chair, it's like a break apart chair. Now we get this plastic piece and stick these two short ends, I guess, on one end and two long ones on the other. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I'm 230 pounds right now. Let's start to sit on it. Ooh, kind of wobble a little bit. But I'll tell you what, this is almost like wobbling chair. I like it, comfortable. Look at this thing, it just hugs you so well. And it's a plastic little base. Such a unique chair right there. Let me sit on it one more time from far away. It is very, very lightweight. I like it. I know, if it was slanted, I feel like I would be kind of sitting slanted, because as you can see, it's quite wobbly. So you kind of have to sit on a flat surface because it's a little slanted right here. It's trying to pull me to this side. Let me sit over here on even more slanted area. Yeah, it's definitely pull me to the side. So you'll have to sit on this one like a mountain, down or up. So that way it's not slanting you down. You know what I mean? But still pretty awesome, very, very easy to break apart. Wrap it around, and this is pretty cool. Is it hard to put it away? Not too bad. And then lock everything in. That's what I was worried a little bit. Sometimes it's a lot harder once you unpack it. It is a bit harder to put it away. It's possible though. There you go. And then this rubber will keep everything tight. Boom. That's your folding chair. For this gadget I got here folding table. Let's see what it's all about. Boom. As you can see, it's pretty big, so I wouldn't be hiking very, very far from it, but perfect for tailgating or camping nearby your car. So this is what we got. Open it like that, and there is a notchet and a hole. You just put it in a notchet and it will pop in. There you go. And then stretch it out till you get to this notch. That's it. Same thing on the other side. It's kind of cool actually. Super easy setup. And then this thing on the rubber. So you just, I guess I'll put this in first. Put it into this other notches. Wow, that's amazing. And guess what? You can lift it, flip it over, it holds together. Pretty awesome. Look at that. And at the same time, it's so easy to break apart. One, 2, 3, boom. How fast was that? I like that for tailgating and such. Next gadget right here, I kind of forgot what it is. I get so many gadgets. I know that's a camping gadget, but let's figure it out. Oh my gosh, so many pieces. I think this is some kind of camping bed. But this break apart sticks, I guess not too bad. Kind of overwhelmed me a little bit at first, but look, they pretty easy to set them up. They kind of want to pop in easily, quickly. And it's a lightweight too. So I think this is some kind of like a camping cot or a camping bed, whatever you want to call it. Boom. And the last one. And this side here There you go. This is what we're going to lay on. Take this and put it through all the way. Quick close up, push it in, push it to the side. And what is this? I guess you just lock it like that, so that way it is not going to come out whenever you sleep on it. Pretty cool. Seems so simple, but there is very unique things to it. Pop it in, lift it up, and bend it a little bit. Okay, that is much easier. Pop it in and bend it a little bit. I guess it's supposed to be bendy. Next, wow, so lightweight, that's crazy. It's like that chair, except you get a whole bed. And all we need maybe a sleeping bag, a little floaty mattress, blow-up mattress, camping one, and there you go. Let's try to lay on it, see what it looks like. Wow. It kind of holds me. And I'm tall enough, definitely need some kind of pillow, that's for sure. Wow, look how much it bends with me, 230 pounds. But still works. At least I'm not sleeping on the floor. That's the whole point of it.